Hi everybody, today we're making scones. We're going to start by sifting 450 grams of self-raising flour into our mixing bowl. To this we add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, and 80 grams of butter diced. We mix our ingredients and then start to rub in the butter using our fingertips. And the resulting flour should look like fine breadcrumbs. To this we add 50 grams of caster sugar. Give that a quick mix. We now take 2 eggs and beat them lightly. These we add to the mix, along with 200 milliliters of fresh milk. I'll keep a little of this milk back for glazing the scones, as you'll see later. We mix these ingredients until they all come together. We dust our work surface and turn our dough out onto this. Again, we mix our dough a little further, working lightly and quickly. And we start now to shape our dough. I like to shape my dough by hand. I give it a rectangular form and press it out to about 2 centimeters in thickness. This then I place on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. We now cut our dough into 8. We start by cutting it in half lengthways, then into quarters, and then into eighths. We take the reserved milk and glaze our scones with our fingertips. Our scones are now ready for the oven. I like to bake my scones for approximately 20 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius, checking them after 15 minutes for doneness. We take our baked scones out of the oven, let them cool for a moment, you now have delicious scones. Enjoy these with a little butter or clotted cream and jam. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like these. Leave your comment below and check back soon for more videos.